What's up guys? Today's video my friend is gonna teach me or like show me his favorite games. I hope is my yeah, it's working. Okay, good. So what am I gonna play today?
I don't really know. I just a game, okay?
Okay. I want
I'm gonna
but do not
I'm gonna put one of my favorite games.
okay. But here's my games if you wanna play. Do not like it's not great, bro. Okay, what are we? Build a boat for treasure. I have played that before.
Yes, funny, bro.
It's very fun.
You can like build whatever you want.
I am. Oh, no.
Happen.
Listen.
Happen.
Hello, bro.
And I can't build.
What do you mean? It can build you.
No, it's serious.
Alright. I played this game before though. Okay.
You have a good boat?
I think I have one. Wait, if it saves? It's like, I do not know. Is it load?
I have
Good check. No, I think it's like this one. I don't know. Is it this one? I don't know. I don't know if it's this one.
Or just put on my boat.
Bro, I have to find a boat. See, I can Chloe. Bro, why isn't it? Oh, there my boat is.
Is that your boat?
That's my boat.
Alex, is that your boat?
I'm tiny. I don't need a big boat. Okay. Is that better?
What? Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, don't make that. Bro!
Bro, it's bigger.
You're sus.
I'm not sus. It's a T.
It's just a T.
Wait, let's make H like this. H for heaven. That's what you should. Search up heaven and subscribe. And if you want, you can like this video and the follow button, or I say sub button. But today, are you almost done? Hey, Hesh. That's a bad song, bro. That's not good, bro. I'm gonna. Wait, did I have a minion? Bro, guys, let's prank him, okay? Nothing. Nothing at all. Wait. What? What the what? What did you say? Hey.
What the heck is that?
Nothing. It's not anything at all.
What the heck is that?
A minigun.
How did you get a minigun?
Do not take on your motor, and then we're going. I'm not gonna shoot you. I'm not that dangerous. Look, I only have 2 cannons. It's not that hard. Do you like my boat?
Yes, cool.
How do I get in my seat right now? Guys, I don't think I can. Okay, like that.
Well, I have a cannon.
I have a minigun. What do you say? What do you say? Look in my boat. It's my boat.
Okay.
Start this. Okay. What the hell?
Okay, what's the point?
I'm gonna shoot you.
No.
What's there? Heaven beside. Oh wait.
I shoot myself.
What? Why? Oh, I can't shoot. What is my minigun doing? Bro,
How fast, bro?
you're not fast.
How fast, bro?
So actually I don't think we can like show like that many games. We can play this one and I could upload more if you guys want. Like and subscribe if you want more content like this with my friend. Just remember it's Edwin X, aka Gojo on YouTube. You can subscribe to him. He have much more subscribers than me. Only 23 subscribers more than me. That's not that much.
I have 25.
Yeah, you have 23 more than me.
I'm dead.
No, 22.
I died.
I'm still alive. Wait, whoa! I did a front flip. Still alive, bro. I'm still alive. Ouch! How am I still alive?
I don't know.
I have done like 5 front flips. And is that bananas? Okay, I'm dying, bro. I died.
I
Shoot.
played.
What? What is it?
Hmm.
Let me clean this. But guys, I think that's it because I can't make that long. Yeah, that's it.
For today?
No, not I can probably like post more. But if you want more content like this, like and subscribe. Remember, and I say peace out. Bye.